welcome to AKJS. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. It is December 30th, 2005. It is pretty cold and rainy, and no one has came out yet. I'm going to pass it on to meteorologist Allison.
Thank you, Kennedy. So today the temperature will be negative 10 degrees. Watch out for the weather.
Now it's time for Sean.
For the weather for today, we will be having a 9 inches of snow today. Now pass it on to A. Kennedy.
Thank you, Sean. Okay, now time for Jakari, the safety expert.
Yes, we are announcing all Greenville citizens to stay indoors. Back to the anchor girl.
Thank you, safety expert Jakari. Thank you for watching News Channel 9. It is now 6:30. I will see you at 11:15. Watch out for the weather. Keep warm.